the Amazing Goa Global Business Summit 2024, which is due on 8th, 9th and 10th of November at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium at Bambolim, Goa. The government of Goa is wholeheartedly supporting this event. I am super excited to announce that we have over 300 delegates from over 48 nationalities who are visiting us. The kind of business opportunities which these delegates from national as well as international will bring for the state of Goa and for the business communities and the people who are participating is immense. The potential is huge, and I urge everyone to participate wholeheartedly for the event. You can register for the event, come as a visitor, you can book a booth and participate. You can look at sponsoring and creating visibility for your brand, or you can also look at opportunities to launch your products or services to the international delegates, to the global market. Goa is a rich bed of potential when it comes to very sustainable business opportunities and business development. So friends, let's create an amazing Goa. Thank you.